Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to fix the 403 forbidden error in WordPress by resetting your file permissions. This is a common issue where your server blocks access to certain files, but the fix is straightforward and the steps relate directly to each other to get your site back online. First, you'll need to connect to your server using an FTP program like FileZilla. Once you're in, find the folder that contains your site. It's usually named public_HTML or public. Right-click that folder and select File Attributes. The goal here is to set specific numeric values for your folders and files. According to the WordPress Codex, directories should be set to 755 or 750. Type that into the numeric value box, select Recurse into subdirectories, and then choose Apply to Directories Only. Hit OK, and FileZilla will update every folder inside your site. Next, we repeat that exact same process for your files, but with different numbers. Right-click the same root folder again, go to File Attributes, but this time enter 644 or 640 in the numeric value box. Make sure to select Recurse into subdirectories again, but this time choose Apply to Files Only. This ensures all your individual files are protected but readable by the server. Finally, there is one small manual exception. Find your wp-config.html file in the root folder, right-click it, and set its permissions specifically to 440 or 400. This adds an extra layer of security to your most sensitive file. Once these are set, refresh your site, and that 403 error should be gone. That's all there is to it. If this quick fix got your site back up and running, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech troubleshooting. Drop a comment below if you're still seeing the error, and I'll see you in the next video.